In this video, we will show you how to transfer a design that is already on the embroidery machine to your USB drive. First, insert your USB drive into the designated port on the machine. Press this button to access the design menu. Select the design you want to transfer. For this example, we will transfer 2 designs. Once selected, press this icon with the flower symbol to send it to the USB. A window will open where you can assign a name to your file. Once done, press Save to complete the process. To verify, go to the Read menu. And as you can see, the file is now saved on the USB drive.